3-in-1 silicone tools, trowel and scraper. First, make the scraper cling to the joint in front of the old silicone to be removed. Then, push it forward. The old silicone can be cleaned perfectly. Pull the scraper backward and the old silicone can be removed perfectly. It is actually more effort-saving this way. Then, use the plastic scraper on the other side to remove the remaining silicone. This model of trowel is designed to be used by pushing its head forward. Remember, when you are using the trowel, keep the two sides of the trowel clinging to the joint. After that, remove the duct tape you applied beforehand, and then you're done. There are 5 different sizes of radius exchangeable pads to fulfill your needs. The pads can be exchanged quickly and easily.